In this video, I'll teach you how to build your vocabulary from any news article in your target language. Whether you need 50, 100, or 150 new words, here's a prompt that you can put in ChatGPT and you'll get a new set of words for the day within minutes. So let's get to it. Oh, before we continue, subscribe to my channel. I post videos for free on a weekly basis, and I also post Substack. I'm going to leave the link in the description where you'll find the prompt and you can use it and give it a go. So let's see. So first I'm going to go here into the article. It's in the description. And I left here on the very bottom section the prompt, in which you just have to put it one time and it'll render you for it for as long as you may need it. So this is the one that you should focus. So copy paste it and you can adjust it as you may need. So in this case, I'm working with Spanish and French. Spanish being my native language and French being my target language. So I'm gonna head to ChatGPT, and this is an example. So I made the French version, the French prompt. I put it in French, and below the prompt, I added the link. So this is the one that I'm going to be focusing on, and I asked them to render me 50 new words for the day. And one thing that you should know is that a request ChatGPT to put it on the left corner or the left column in Spanish, and then on the right column in French. So once I input that, you'll notice that it gave me the both columns in Spanish and French respectively. And what's good about this is that you can start building your own prompt. You can start getting back at it the next day, and you can make adjustments as you go. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy it. So once I got that copy, I'm going to go to Google Sheets. Let me just give me a second. I'm going to go to Google Sheets, and in here, I basically set a different corner, like a separate corner with the columns in Spanish and French, and I paste the same words in here. So what I did here was that I posted the words, and I'm going to pass it later on this other section. So I'm here, I'm building Google Sheet. This is something that you should know too. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can build your own word banking here, and you can adjust it. I made a post on it, which I'm going to be linking it. So we're going to be put it somewhere in the blog. So check that out. And yeah, that's all you have to do. It's pretty simple, and you can go back to the same article, and you can start also doing some actual manual work. So you can actually sit down and see if the problem missed any words that you might have seen useful as well. So that's all I've got for this week. It's a pretty quick video, something that I've been working on, and I'm gonna be documenting the progress. So oh, sorry. So yeah, this is just the beginning. I'm gonna be documenting how, the adjustments, what I've done so far to make it more effective. And yeah, thank you for your time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, it's free. I post once video per week for free. Give it a go, check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.